Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI for academic research. So Perplexity is a website or basically AI generator or AI research generator that helps you with your research, with your studies, if you have a project coming up. So Perplexity is the best place to basically leverage that because Perplexity gives you, the accurate answers backed by sources. So first of all, go ahead and add your query. Right? So for example here, what are the long-term effects of microplastic exposure on human health? And once we insert that prompt, we're gonna wait for a few moments until Perplexity gives us the answers, right? And obviously you can go ahead and click the sources at the top right here to check their sources, right? And basically based on that answer, if you want to continue to ask a follow-up question, you could just go ahead and type is there studies, or you can see the automatic questions or the most common questions for this topic in hand. How might microplastic accumulation lead to chronic diseases in humans, right? And you can go ahead and follow up with that question, right? And then they're gonna give you answers backed by sources, right? So basically that's how you do or leverage Perplexity AI for academic research. And if you got the answers you needed or got the answers you need, basically go ahead and save this research or this study for later. Make sure to log in using your credentials in order to save this research for, if you need it in the future. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.